know that for one reason or another, basketball megastar Lebron James is as highly rated as much as he's highly hated. For one, people who worship Michael Jordan think it's disrespectful to compare Lebron to Jordan. They hate him for that. Then there is his social activism. You know how divisive that Black Lives Matter thing is, especially in America. Another set of people hate LeBron for that. And the people generally who hate LeBron James will stop at nothing to hate him. For me, I think LeBron is the best all-round player the game has ever seen. But again, the haters are out this season as LeBron and the Lakers are struggling to even make the playoffs. But again, LeBron James at 37, in his 19th year in the league, is still leading his team in all key categories, averaging 29 points, 8 assists, and 6.5 rebounds per game. So apart from failing to get his title count closer to Jordan, playing in a poorly assembled team ravaged by injury, the Lakers' struggle cannot be LeBron's fault and should in no way affect his legacy. You see, if LeBron was not performing and his team was losing, then we could beat him. But this season's woes cannot be held against LeBron James' greatness. Case closed.